Here's how to add your Walmart employee discount to the app. First, launch open the Walmart app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, find the option of wallet and select that. Now scroll down to the discounts and promotions section and find associate discount. Tap on that. This will now open a secure verification window where you will have to link your employee credentials. Start by entering the 16-digit associate discount card number, then enter your Walmart identification number. If you do not know this, you also have the option to enter your social security number instead. Now tap on the Save option. Once that is done, your card will be linked to your digital wallet. Then you will never have to scan your physical discount card at the register. When you check out in store, simply select Walmart Pay in the app, scan the register's QR code, and your 10% associate discount will instantly apply to your eligible full-price general merchandise and fresh produce items before your payment goes through. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.